What is up? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to start and open an LLC in the state of Texas. This video is going to be straight to the point, really fast and easy for anybody that's looking to get their business up and running, get their LLC, and also something that's called an EIN number. These two things are what you're going to be needing to start and being official with, starting your business. You need an LLC and something that's called an EIN number. Not a lot of people are familiar to what is an EIN number. So just to break it down, the EIN number is like the social security of the business. So once you get your LLC, then you're going to get an EIN number. And then when you open up like a business bank account, a business credit card, they're always going to be asking you, what is your EIN number? So this is why you need to have it, and it always comes in handy. For me personally, I always keep it like, I would keep it on my computer, the EIN number, I keep the number on my phone just in case, things like that. So that's very essential when it comes to your business. So two things we need to get today: EIN number and the LLC. And that's going to make you official and established, right? A couple of quick things. So we're going to make this really fast and easy. And if you want to follow along, and I highly recommend you don't procrastinate, get this done today so you can be official. I'm going to have the link in the description down below. You can click that link to follow along with the whole video, and also I'll have it in the comments down below. So just click that link down below and I'll send you exactly to the link so we can get started together and we can get this done. So once you're here, you're going to see, once you click the link in the description down below, you're going to see this website called Taylor Brands. Highly recommend it. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. It's how I make a full-time living. Highly recommend Taylor Brands when it comes to all of my LLC stuff and my EIN number. It makes it super fast and convenient. So we're going to run through this. The video is going to be real fast, 5 minutes to 7 max, right? So we're going to go here and we're going to click Texas. So put Texas here, click Texas on the drop down box here. We're going to click Get Started. And now you want to have a business name already in mind before you start. For me, I sell full-time on Amazon. Let's say I want to start another Amazon business. Let's say Midtown Power Seller. This is just something random that I thought of. Let's click see if it's available, and yes, it's available. Great. So it's going to be Midtown Power Seller LLC. You don't need to put the LLC because it's going to do it for you. Now Taylor Brands is going to just ask you a couple generic questions. Remember, none of this really matters. This is just like to see where you're at in a business. There's no wrong answers to this, right? So what stage are you currently in? Taking the first few steps. Click next here. When are you planning to launch your business? I'm going to say in a few weeks. What industry are you in? So if you type in any letter here, you can see a ton of industries that you can choose from. For me, I'm doing e-commerce. So since that's related to Amazon, selling on Amazon, which is physical goods, click next here. And do you plan on hiring any employees in the upcoming year? For me, no. It's just if you do, you can click yes, not sure. For me, it's a no. Okay. Annual income goal for your business. Any of these options you can pick. For me, I really don't know yet. I'm hoping, over 80,000, which would be absolutely amazing, but I really don't know yet. So next here, now you're going to put your zip code. And then is your business online, brick and mortar, which is a storefront, or on the go? For me, it is strictly online. So we're going to click next here. And what are we planning to do for the LLC today? So we are doing the LLC and also the EIN number. So click these two here. We'll click next. And what have you already done for your business? I've done none of this, so I'm just going to skip it. How do you discover Taylor Brands? If you're watching this video, just click YouTube right there. Perfect. Now, do you want to join a 12-week free coaching program? For me, I personally will skip this just because I would just want to get my LLC. But if you're new to business, if you don't know anything and you want to learn more, shh, be quiet, little girl. Sorry, it's my dog. Okay, so if you want to join the business, you can do that. The program, if you don't, just say no, thank you. Click next. Give me 1 second. No, stop it. Stop it. She's a puppy and she's going crazy, so it is what it is. She's crazy right now. Okay, so we're gonna just put your personal info here. Okay, put your phone number, And 𝗛𝙗𝙗𝙗@gmail.com. Now we're going to put our password here and click next. And we're almost done with the LLC. It's really that fast. So next we have the EIN number here, right? Like I said, the EIN number is something that you can get. It's only $99. You can also get it from the IRS website. It's really fast and easy to do, but personally, I just like Tabler Brands to do it for me. It's really, really convenient for them to do it for me. They do charge $99 extra for this. You know, it is a little pricey. Depends on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to save some money, you can get the EIN number after your LLC is filed. But for this example, I'm going to put help me get my EIN number. Click next here. And then do you want Tabler Brands to auto renew your LLC for you? So you can choose that there, and Tabler Brands could auto renew your LLC. You do have a couple of months to renew it yourself. Personally, I like to save money, and I think everybody loves to save money, so I always try to handle it myself. But if you think you're going to forget, you can always have Tabler Brands do it for you. All right, great. We're going to click next here. Do you want a branding toolkit? So this is cool if you want to get like a custom logo, a website, online store, domain. Toolkits, they're pretty handy. For me, I like to do it myself or outsource it. I have like a personal person. Fiverr is a great way to do it as well. Or you can have them help you. For me, I'm going to just decline this one for now. Okay, and this is something that I recommend you to do. Okay, skip the line, get your LLC done way faster. So you can get your LLC filed in 2 business days, or you can wait 14 days. Personally, I like to do the expedited filing. They charge a little bit, $49 for this, but it all depends on your situation, right? Let's say if you're ready, you're super motivated, you want to get your business bank account, business credit card, you're ready to make all these moves, go with the expedited filing. If you have a lot on your plate and you don't mind the wait, you can always go with the 2 weeks. I personally want to get it done real quick, so we're going to go with that. Operating agreement, right? People don't really know what this is, so let me explain it really fast. If you have a LLC and you have multiple business partners, right? And this is a big business plan that you guys have, then you would probably want an operating agreement. An operating agreement basically tells everybody what part of the business are you accountable for, right? So if you have 5 members in the LLC, this person's credible for doing these actions. This person, this person, this person. For me personally, I've never done an operating agreement because all of my businesses are strictly very small and usually myself only. So operating agreement is always optional, but for legal standpoints, you know, if you have a huge business that you're starting up, you know, operating agreement is something that you might want to consider. You can get Tabler Brands to do it for you, or you can even write it up yourself, something very simple. So just to give you some knowledge on that. So for me, I'm going to figure it out myself, which I'm not going to have an operating agreement because it's just me in the business. Click next here. Do you need a formation kit? Nope. Great. All right. Do you want to get notified by Tabler Brands? Yes, I do. Click next here. All right. We are pretty much done with the LLC. Did I tell you this is not going to be super fast and easy? I told you. So you can see here, they have it, the essential plan at $199, right? But if you are following along, we're going to get it even cheaper and a better deal for you. So check this out. You're going to see other plans here, and you're going to see the light, the essential, and the elite, right? So for Texas, right, the state filing fee to file and create an LLC in Texas, you have to pay the state no matter what. Each state is different. The state filing fee is $308. A little bit expensive compared to other states. Like Florida is, I believe, $130. Texas is a little bit on the higher side, but it all depends on your state, right? I mean, Texas is amazing. I love Texas, but the state fee is a little bit on the high side. Anyways, what can we do about it? So we're going to click the light plan here because I'm trying to save you guys as much money as possible. So we got the state filing fee here of $308, and we got the expedited filing like I mentioned. So you get your LLC done in 2 days for $49, right? Which is amazing. Invoice and bookkeeping, if you want this, you can keep it. But after 30 days, you can see here that they'll charge $30. So it all depends on your situation. For me, I'm going to just skip it here. But most likely this is QuickBooks that they partner with, which would be $30, a month. Anyways, EIN number is something that I recommend you to get. These are the two real big options I recommend you to get: the expedited filing, the EIN. All the other ones, you can consider. It's really cool and easy. And that's it. To pay for your LLC today is $357. So the EIN number, you'll get it after you file your LLC. Click continue to pay with your card, and that's it. You're pretty much done when it comes to your LLC. After that, they're going to ask you a couple of questions. Once you put your credit card information, they're going to be like, who is, they're going to get your personal info and what address are you using for the business. For me, I always use my home address for all of my online businesses. You don't have any issue whatsoever. And then they're also going to ask who is the registered agent of the business. And that will be yourself. Pretty much who's the registered agent means who's receiving the mail for the business, which I always am the registered agent as well. And let's say for online businesses, e-commerce, things on the go, you can use your home address. There's no issue whatsoever with that. If you have a storefront, of course, use that address than your online store, right? And that's about it, guys. Real fast, simple, and straight to the point. After that, you get your LLC, and then you get your EIN number, and then you're official. You can open up a business bank account, business credit card. Easy as that, super fast. I try to make this video as transparent as possible for you guys. And like I said, if you want to follow along with that video, link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. Here to help you guys out. If you want any videos that you want me to make, or like me, I sell full-time on Amazon. If you want me to learn about that, I can make videos on that. I also do a lot of investing as well in the stock market, do really, really well. And yeah, I just like to make videos about business, LLCs, and even you can even buy a business or sell an online business. For me, I'm selling one of my Amazon FBA businesses, which is a little bit off topic, but it's doing really well, and I'm selling it this week, so I'm super excited about it. And that's about it. Get your LLC done, be official. And yeah, that's it. Hope nothing but the best. Hope nothing but success for you. Keep it going, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.